Today we're gonna make a pizza. Dad's New York style pizza.
Why are we making pizza, Dad?
Because for my science experiment, Mr. Gal made cookies with a bunch of solids and liquids, and it turned into cookie doughs. So we're gonna make pizza. It also has chemical reactions. Some of you might not know this, but it rises, that's a chemical reaction, and liquids making solids, and when the base gets hard.
Alright. What ingredients have we got here?
We've got sugar, salt, yeast, flour, special flour, and we've got, I guess this is another type of yeast, water, olive oil, and basil, this stuff, and I think that's cheese under, and tomato, my favourite vegetable. Well, my second favourite. Dad's making the dough, and Dad's gonna help because I don't know how to make the dough.
Alright, we're going to measure out some ingredients here. So we're going to measure, what's it say on the recipe, Charlotte? How many grams of flour? Paul Hollywood's baking in the background there. Okay, so I've got some lukewarm water here. Right, so this is we're going to start to see the chemical reaction, right? This is going to be good. I think it's really fascinating how the yeast works. So we've got 630 grams of lukewarm water.
This is the bit where it turns it, all of the ingredients turn into one big solid.
That's right. Now we need 2 teaspoons of dry yeast.
So,
There's one. And one more.
let's see. Looks like
Awesome. We'll get the
kitty
lid back.
litter. Looks like kitty litter.
Does look funny, doesn't it? Yeast pretty funny.
Yeah.
The yeast does something funny when it gets with water and flour. And George is playing with your cars. Alright, we're going to stir this up now just to mix it in. You give it a bit of a stir.
When it turns into the base,
starts
that's a chemical reaction.
So, oh, we need olive oil as well. We do need, well, I'll put a bit more. I'm going to put 5 tablespoons of olive oil in the water. Okay, it's a New York style base.
Why is it making big bubbles?
Well, actually, this is another interesting chemical reaction here. Look at this.
I never knew that would happen.
So look, we've got the yeast in there, but look how the oil's not really mixing with the water very well, is it?
We need to put those in.
We do. Right, we need to put the drying area in. I'll pop this camera back.
So now we've got the dough out of the bowl. It's pretty hard, but we got it out. Nice.
Yeah, you're going to get some of this on your hands so it doesn't stick.
We need the dough.
So rub them like that together.
Because this is the crust, but it's just not cooked yet.
Yeah, so we need to do this for about 10 minutes, don't we?
Yeah.
And we squish it down, just like Paul Hollywood.
Sorry.
Like this.
Okay.
Watch out. Mind your hands off. I don't want to squash your hands. Alright, so we do about 10 minutes of this. Okay, so we push it in, fold it over, push it in, fold it over, push it in. Like that. There we go. Ugh, get sticky on your hands.
No, it's really good. Ooh, hey, it's like a big bag of pudding.
A big bag of pudding, is it?
Yeah. It's gonna rise.
Why?
Because no air can get to it.
Mm-hmm.
And so then
There we go. That's good.
I just need to cut it. Now that it's all covered, we'll let the yeast do its work and the dough will rise. Because no air can get to it, and that makes it so then it rises because it's heating in there, and it does that to biscuits as well. While that rises, we're gonna build a fire. Look at that. The yeast has done it to work. Look how big it is.
Yeah, how's that for a chemical reaction, guys?
Yeah, rising. Gotta get it out somehow. Guess we're gonna need more flour.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, try and pull it out. Tip the bowl upside down onto our little plate here. And reach in under there and pull it out.
Really easy side.
Look at that.
Righty. Wait, I want to look at it. Wait, just kind of. It's sticking. It's like a forest of trees just getting tipped the wrong way and just coming off the sky or off the ground.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bit more in there.
I know. I'm gonna have to like scrape it out with my hand. Hope this is gonna taste good.
You get all the rest of it out. Don't waste it.
I'm not. I'm just gonna get it.
Alright, that fire's getting a bit warmer, isn't it, Charlotte?
Yeah, no.
We're just got to wait for it to settle down so we've got coals to cook our pizza with. Yeah, it's hot. How's that for a chemical reaction, Charlotte?
Good. This is what the yeast does, and it makes air bubbles in the dough, and that's a chemical reaction.